through the company of folly. I am in great error concerning love. It breaks and loosens shamefully, and the youth who trusts in it goes wretched among the false-hearted lovers. I have my share in the folly singer, for I was once proved in love, which at the beginning was kind to me, but now everything it says turns to deceit, for which I hold myself debased. But with beautiful lying it took me without complaint. I no longer fear any mocker, for she speaks truth when she was lying, and I lie when I was speaking truth. By turns the bewildered lover remains, since she rose up by treachery, treacherous one. Let us all trick lady courters, for the trickster would lower it, but by the trick made weak, the trick of the trickstress. But she saw herself deceived without fear. The deceived would deceive. The deceived are felony goes armed as the deceiver deceives the deceiver. Follow the lighter counsel of Bernard Marting the painter, who speaks and draws a guarantee. Love will hardly be without inconstant prostitution, until the world comes to an end. It is custom